Hello everyone, this is Mr. Appel, and we're going to look at another example of the graphing shortcut. So first, again, we want to identify the parent function and look at that. So our parent function, of course, is the square root. So y equals the square root of x. And so that one, you remember we had to choose some slightly different x values for convenience. So square root of 0 was 0, square root of 1 was 1, square root of 4 was 2, square root of 9 was 3, and square root of 16 was 4. And so now we're going to identify our transformations. So that plus 4 off the x is going to make it go left 4 units. The minus 2 is going to make it translate down 2 units. And so the left 4, that's an x impact. So if the graph is shifting 4 units to the left, each x value is going down 4. And for the down 2, that's affecting the y value, so that's just taking each y value and subtracting 2. So let's apply that. So when x is 0, 0 minus 4 is negative 4, 1 minus 4 is negative 3, 4 minus 4 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 16 minus 4 is 12. For the y values, I'm simply subtracting 2, so 0 minus 2 is negative 2, 1 minus 2, negative 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Let's go ahead and graph those. So negative 4, negative 2 is right there, negative 3, negative 1, 0, 0, 5, 1, and again slightly off the graph but not as bad, 12, 2. And we see that familiar fade away shape. Oh, that was a good, nice curve. Look at that. Wow, I got some skills today. Okay, that's it. Hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.